Hi, I'm Bill Lisi from Masterworks Construction Services, and I'd like to talk to you today about planning a kitchen remodel. It can be a very daunting task, but we'd like to give you some tips today to do it in bite-sized pieces so that you can end up with a successful project. So the first thing to think about is looking at your existing kitchen, and there's two ways to look at it. One is, what do you like about it and what don't you like about it? Make a list, pros and cons. You know, you've been living there, maybe you just bought the house, but you're going to have some sense of what you like and what you don't like about the kitchen. This can be, you know, at this point, you're not concerned so much about the budget. That will come in later. But you want to put down everything that bothers you so that you can communicate this to the builder or to the designer. It's a very important step. It's probably the most important step, actually. So another thing that's very helpful is for us to have you go and do some homework, we call it. So we want you to go on the internet. We want you to go to vendors, go to tile stores. We want you to go to showrooms. We would like you to start gathering and make sort of a scrapbook, or sometimes it's called a vision board. Designers do this all the time for customers. So you're kind of doing it ahead of time so we get an idea of the kinds of things that you like. Another thing to consider is how you use the kitchen. Do you cook in there every day? Are you a type of person that buys to-go stuff and just sits in the kitchen and eats? Or do you have your family over for Thanksgiving and there's a bunch of people cooking in there? All this helps the designer understand how you use the kitchen, because there's traffic flow issues. There's also counter space issues. If somebody's cutting up something, someone's cleaning something, something's cooking, you want to have space for all those people. The last thing to think about is the budget. So we want to be able to take your design ideas and your vision and fit it into the amount of money you want to spend and what that budget should be. And this is the final step before deciding on the final design, but it also is a very important step, and it should not be skipped at this point. A lot of people don't consider the budget, and they design the thing all the way through, and then they find out at the end it's too late, that it's way over budget. Hopefully these basic tips will help you get started on your kitchen remodeling project. Good luck with your project.